Good day everyone, we are the Group 1 and we will present to you the Franciscan Bulletin Board Enhanced Academic Announcements at St. Francis of Assisi College. Findings and discussion. The interpretation and analysis of the data gathered for this investigation are presented in this chapter. This includes the data displayed in the sections that follow.
Number 1, what is the performance level of the Franciscan Bulletin Board in terms of functionality, accessibility, and convenience? The survey results on functionality shows that 49.43% of respondents strongly agree, 47.43% agree, and 3.14%. The survey results on accessibility shows that 45.33% of respondents strongly agree, 50.22% agree, and 4.44% disagree. Survey results on convenience shows that 46.5% respondents strongly agree, 49.25% agree, and 4.25% disagree.
Number 2. What is the level of respondents' satisfaction in using Franciscan Bulletin Board? Statement and verbal interpretation. Are you satisfied with the function of Franciscan Bulletin widget? 3.56 strongly agree. Is the web application accessible to you? 3.58 strongly agree. Do you agree that the Franciscan Bulletin Board is convenient to use? 3.4 strongly agree. Are you satisfied with the design of web application? 3.44 strongly agree. Are you pleased to use the Franciscan Bulletin Board as a tool for receiving announcement? 3.58 strongly agree. Categorical mean 3.51 strongly agree.
The study examines whether performance level significantly affects respondent satisfaction. The analysis focused on three factors: functionality, accessibility, and convenience. The results showed p-values of 0.258048, 0.576032, and 0.007992, all above the 0.05 significance threshold. As a result, the null hypothesis was not rejected, indicating no significant relationship between performance level and respondent satisfaction.
This chapter provides a concise summary of data analysis by the researchers, along with the overall conclusion of the study and the recommendation derived from the findings. It interprets the presented data and offers a comprehensive evaluation of the information to highlight the significance of the study. The study, Franciscan Bulletin Widget, Enhanced Academic Announcement at St. Francis of Assisi College, focused on developing and enhancing academic announcement inside St. Francis of Assisi College. Researchers evaluated the website functionality, accessibility, and convenience through conducting survey.
Summary of findings. The survey results on functionality shows that 49.43% of respondents strongly agree, 47.43% agree, and 3.14% disagree, confirming that the Franciscan Bulletin Board functionality is well integrated and was more effective than traditional methods of sharing announcement. The survey results on accessibility shows that 45.33% of respondents strongly agree, 50.22% agree, and 4.44% disagree, highlights that very few respondents encountered accessibility issues, but minor improvements may still be necessary to address isolated concerns.
A remarkable 46.5% of respondents strongly agree that our system is convenient, while 49.25% agree. only 4.25% is expressed disagreement, with an overwhelming 95.75% positive feedback. It's clear that our system effectively meets user needs in both convenience and efficiency. Furthermore, user satisfaction speaks for itself. With a categorical mean of 3.51, respondents strongly agree that the Franciscan Bulletin Board delivers. These results confirm that our system effectively meets user needs in functionality, accessibility, and convenience.
Now let's move on to the limitations of the study. First, problem with the previous field expert. The researchers had a hard time finding an authorized field expert for the needed field. Thus, the previous field experts wasted a lot of time and took advantage of the researcher. Second, time constraints. Due to the struggle of finding a new field expert, the development of the website was rushed. And unfortunately, the web application did not have time to deploy locally.
While this research shows a promising result, it is subjected to certain limitations that may influence it. Number 3. Insufficient internet access. Since the web application is not deployed, the respondents need to connect on the same internet connection that the researcher's subject laptop is connected to try and see the web application. Number 4. Limited respondents. The research only took 25 students from junior high school and 25 students from senior high school. Although the teachers also have a part in the web application, the study is only limited to students.
The computed R value for convenience was 0.3709 and has a corresponding probability value of less than 0.5, implying that convenience does not influence the performance level and respondent satisfaction. This failed to reject the null hypothesis. There was no statistically significant relationship between the factors in question, therefore failed to reject the null hypothesis. The study did not find a significant relationship between performance level and satisfaction, though this website remains a valuable tool.
My name is Mariela Argayas, and I'm going to read the 3 recommendations that we have here. First is, it is recommended for future researchers to make the Franciscan Bulletin Board as a mobile application to make it available offline, and it is relatively faster. Second is, employing a sort-to-date announcements in the web application would be easier for the users, specifically for the students to view and browse for announcements according to their date. Last but not the least is, the researchers suggest for the website usage on St. Francis of Assisi College campuses since it was advantageous for both students and faculty as well as the institution to have its own web application for inclusivity.
So that will be our presentation. Thank you for listening.